Second Tia, you already, uh, you're also live. Do you remember me? Yes. I remember you, Nate. Thank you for coming, Nate. Lorena Anika Alvarez, hello. Good morning, Mega Love shout out. Good morning, Mega Love shout out. 14 viewers, Mega Love shout out. Ayan. Thank you, Second Tia. Share Mug Vlogs. Second Tia, what time is your live? 12 viewers, Mega Love Shoutout. Please connect also, guys, sa Contia Sharma Vlogs. All 12 viewers here in my live, please connect to sa Contia Sharma Vlogs. Ami, I'm from the Philippines. Sa Contia, I'm from the Philippines. I'm here in my house. Not my house. My parents' house. I'm leave my parents' house. Ayan. Okay, host. Thank you. Thank you, Second Tia. Yeah. Si Sir J always here in my life every night. Sir, Ma'am, I said Ma'am to you because you're it's for respect our viewers yan. Ma'am Shukintia, yan. Okay, host. You are a lot of subscribers, yes. Yeah. It's so hard to more subscriber, but our viewers is a few viewers coming to my life. Thank you, Nate, for coming to come to my life. For coming to my life. And also, sa Contia, thank you. Please return me, okay? Yes, I will return you. Please leave a comment for my video and I will return to you to know you and also I if if not I'm not forgot. Ayan. Please comment my video. TM Sagma TV. Good morning. Good morning po. TM Sagma TV. Good morning. Mega love shout out to you. Where are you from? Yan. Only my long video. Okay, I will. And also, comment my video also and to come back to you. And also, I will play your video also. Katina. Meg Holly. I don't understand you, TM Sagma TV. Hello, good morning, Megala shout out. Hello, TM, join me. I will return to you, said Secontia Sharma Vlogs. Do you know if you are reach 100, you have a YouTuber trophy plaque? I have a few sub. Only 100k subscriber, you can have a trophy plaque. If umabot tayo doon. Yeah. But if you get, I hope so. Keep going. Thank you, Lorena Anika Alvarez. Thank you. 10 viewers, Mega Love